Hello, productivity enthusiasts. Welcome to this video, where we explore the best tips to organize and optimize your life through this amazing Notion life planner. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more amazing content. In today's video, we're unlocking the potential of Notion. We'll guide you through configuring a versatile system that covers schedules, to-do lists, habit trackers, meal planner, fitness section, bullet journal, reading tracker, and more, all in one organized. Ready to elevate your planning game and make the most of your days? Let's get started on your ultimate Notion life planner. The personal schedule is designed to help you stay organized and on top of your life. You can schedule multiple plans from a single database, the schedule system, which you'll find here. You'll also find subpages to organize your life in different ways, including daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly planners. To access the planners, simply navigate from the daily planner to the weekly planner, monthly planner, quarterly planner, and yearly planner. On the home section, you'll find plans for the day and for the week at the top of your dashboard. You can also organize your plans by categories, which you'll find just below the daily plans section. This makes it easy to keep track of different types of tasks and events, allowing you to manage your time more effectively. To create a plan for today, start by going to the calendar overview and clicking on the plus button that appears at the top left of the corresponding date. Give your plan a name and the date will be automatically updated based on where you create the plan from in the calendar view. Click on the reminder property to set a reminder for your plan. This will notify you to ensure that you don't forget about it. If your plan is an appointment, you can also add the time. If you're unable to schedule your plan right now, you can clear the date. Choose a category from the existing list, or create a new one by writing your own. You can also add one or more tags to describe your plan and make it easier to find later. Since we cleared the date for your new plan, it will appear in the In Scheduled Plans section. This section contains all your in-scheduled plans. To schedule one or more of these plans, simply drag them from the list view to the calendar view on the desired date. Once scheduled, you'll find the plan on both the calendar view and the calendar list view. You'll also find the plan in your time blocking database, which we will discuss in more detail later. Let's go back to the monthly planner. Here, you'll find a view of your personal planner that displays all your plans for the month. You can also navigate to the plans for the week and day in their respective subpages. In addition to your plans, you can also add monthly notes and ideas by clicking here. The date will be updated automatically. To archive an old plan, simply drag it from its current position to the corresponding archive page. This helps keep your monthly planner organized and makes it easy to find old plans if you need them later. Time blocking is a productivity technique that involves scheduling your time in advance and dedicating specific blocks of time to specific tasks or activities. A time blocking template is a pre-designed format or layout that helps you plan out your day or week using this technique. You will find it on your dashboard, or you can also get access to it at the bottom of this page. The weekly time blocking feature works with 7 columns for each day of the week. To add a new block for a day, simply click on the New button at the bottom of the corresponding column. Once you open the new block in the center peak, you'll have access to 21 pre-configured templates to choose from. To start, let's create a morning routine block. Click on the corresponding template and customize your morning routine time. Add the habits you want to track on your time blocking dashboard and archive them easily. To differentiate your archived blocks from the active ones, be sure to include the current month in the title. In the Mood Tracker section, you can easily track your daily moods. To add a new entry, simply click on the New button in the Mood Tracker database. From there, you can select your mood of the day from 10 different options. After selecting your mood, you can write a brief description of your day or any relevant information you want to include. The date will be automatically recorded and will appear in your dashboard. Right here, you'll find a complete dashboard to track your daily habits. This section is organized into 6 main pages, covering all areas of your routines. Let's start by taking a look at the Weekly Habits Tracker. Here, your habits are organized by theme, with 12 different themes to choose from. However, you can also remove or create additional themes based on your lifestyle. Before creating a new page, remember to click on the blue arrow at the top right of the database and set the existing template page as default by selecting the 3 dots next to it. To create a new page, simply click on the New button, and the page content will be updated automatically. Rename the page as you wish and choose a cover by bringing up the property menu. You can also add an image by uploading a file from your computer or pasting a web link image. Once you have selected the right cover to illustrate your new theme, you can start adding your habits to the corresponding space. To add a new Habit Tracker Week, simply click on the Add a New Habit Tracker Week button. You can rename it by the week number to distinguish it from your archive page. To move an old table to an archive page, go to the 6 dots at the top left of your database and drag it to the corresponding page based on the year and quarter. The Daily Goals Tracker below works exactly the same as the Weekly Habits Tracker, with the exception that there is no archive page. The days will come and go depending on your habits. Before you create a new line, remember to set the existing template as default. To create a new line, simply click on the New button, and the date of the day will automatically appear as the name. The Weekly Goals Achievement section helps you define your main goals for the week. To add a new goal, open a week page and click on Add a Property. Then, choose the checkbox property and rename it to your new achievement goal. To make your new goal appear, click on the 3 dots next to the blue button at the top right of this database. From there, you can edit the properties that appear in your dashboard by clicking on the I button. To set up the 365 Days Habits Challenge, start by choosing the habit that will mark your year. This could be anything from drinking 3 liters of water, walking 2 miles a day, or sketching a drawing in your sketchbook. Add it to the corresponding space, and don't forget to write the current year. Now you can track your yearly challenge daily. To archive it, simply move it to the corresponding year page, and click on the Add a New Year button to create a new empty year table. Welcome to the Meal Planner section, where you can organize your meal plan and keep track of your favorite recipes. To start, let's add a new recipe to your library. Click on the New button to create a new page and give your recipe a name. You can credit the original recipe by pasting a web link. Enter the preparation time in minutes, cooking time, and the number of servings. You can also choose from 5 different meal types and specify if it follows a particular diet. Rate the meal from 1 to 5 stars and upload an image to illustrate it. You can either upload an image from your personal files or paste a link to a web image. Once you've added the details, list the ingredients on the left side and the instructions on the right. Congratulations! You've just added your first meal to the meal planner. To configure your weekly meal plan, simply click on a meal and customize the meal time if it doesn't correspond to your usual routine. Next, click on Add Recipe to select a recipe from your Recipes Library database. Your new recipe will appear just below the meal and on your dashboard. This makes it easy to plan your meals for the week and keep track of what you'll be eating. With the meal planner, you can ensure that you have all the ingredients you need on hand and save time on meal prep. The Kitchen Organizer is here to help you stay organized in the kitchen. You can build a grocery list, add your favorite shops, create a cleaning item list, and track your aromatic plants. With this powerful tool, you can streamline your shopping and ensure that you always have the items you need on hand. You can also keep track of your cleaning supplies and aromatic plants to ensure that your kitchen is always fresh and clean. The Kitchen Organizer is the perfect tool for anyone who wants to keep their kitchen organized and efficient. This section is composed of a walking tracker, a running tracker, and a fitness habits tracker. To start using the walking tracker, simply click on it and then click on the New button to create a new page. Write the @ sign to enter the current date by writing Today as the name for this new entry. Next, select the weather for the day and enter the location of your walk. Finally, enter the distance you walked in miles. If you prefer to use kilometers, simply click above and replace miles with kilometers. Distances in the walking tracker come with a progress bar that allows you to set objectives and track your progress. Click on the Edit the Property option to adjust your objective and choose a different color for the progress bar. Once you've entered all the information, check the line to mark it as complete. The running tracker works exactly the same way as the walking tracker. You can view a report of all your walks and runs on the fitness report, which provides an overview of your fitness habits and progress. Embedding a map on your Notion page is easy. Simply go to Google Maps, copy the web link of the map you want to embed, and paste it into an embed block in your Notion page. To configure your monthly fitness habits tracker, click on the configuration button on the right-hand side of your habits generator to open the configuration mode. From there, you can customize existing habits by clicking on the page to access the property menu. Select the habit you want to change and click on Rename to give it a new name. Once you've made the necessary changes, don't forget to close the configuration mode. And when you're done with your current month, make sure to add the current month before archiving the Nutrition Week table. In the bullet journal section, you can easily document your daily life by creating a new journal page with just one click on the New button in the bullet journal database. You can name the new page as you like and add a date or leave this property blank. There are 9 different templates available in the database, corresponding to the 9 areas of your bullet journal. Select the template that best describes your new page, and the type property will automatically be updated accordingly. You can also add some tags to describe your journal page. Now you can personalize the content of your new page to suit your needs. The Reading Tracker section of your Notion template allows you to keep track of books and web articles you've read. Let's add a book as an example. To add a book to the Books database, click on the New button to create a new page. Write the title of the book and select the existing template at the bottom of the page to populate the page content. Select the author of the book from the existing list or create a new one by typing in the name directly. Click on New to add the author to the author database. Enter the publication date and write the name of the publisher. Then, enter the start date and end date to automatically calculate the number of days it took you to read the book. Finally, enter the number of pages you read and the total number of pages to update the progress bar. You can also rate the book on a scale of 1 to 5 stars. Don't forget to add an image to illustrate your book page. Bring down the property menu to make appear the cover property. Then, click on it to upload an image from your personal files or embed a link to a web image. Now that we've added a new author to our database from the book page, let's customize their page. Go to the author database and click on the author's name to open their page. Rename the author as desired, and write about their career and accomplishments in the content section. You'll notice that the book we configured previously appears on the author's page, making it easy to see which books were written by which authors.